So first, we've seen the first rule. The first rule says that we need to represent the elements with their chemical symbols. The second rule says that we need to know the elements that exist as diatoms. Have no fear of ice cold beer. Now the third one is indicate the valency of each atom. When we say the valency, we're talking about the combining power of an element. What does this valency, what does this combining power, what do they all talk about? It just shows the number of electrons an atom would need to give out or receive to have a fully filled outer shell. Now calcium has atomic number 20. It is the 20th element. If you want to draw the calcium atom, the first shell is going to take 2 electrons. That means we have 18 more to distribute. The second shell will take a maximum of 8. Since we have 18, we can put all 8 there. Now we have 10 more electrons to distribute. We've distributed 10. We have 10 more to go. Now the third shell can also take a maximum of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the last shell will take a maximum of 2. Now calcium will need to form a bond. We'll need to get a fully filled outer shell. Now which is easier? Giving out 2 electrons or taking in 6 electrons. Clearly, giving out 2 electrons is much easier. So once calcium gives out the 2 electrons, it will have 2 more protons than electrons, and therefore calcium will get a +2 charge because each proton has a positive charge. That is why calcium's valency is +2, because it gives out 2 electrons. Potassium gives out 1 electron. Oxygen takes in 2 electrons. Chlorine takes in 1 electron. So whenever an electron is taken in, a negative charge is obtained. The number of electrons will determine the number in front of the negative charge. Whenever electrons are given out, a positive charge is obtained. The number of electrons given out will determine the number in front of the positive charge.